Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your headphones automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, if you have Android, you need to open Beats application. And if you have iOS, you need to go to the settings and then tap at your headphones and check if you have some updates. So in the application it works that at the top in this icon you will see a button update, and also at the first line you see update. On iPhone I'm not sure that it do not update automatically, but you need to check it if you have some update, because it can help to fix this problem. Now, if you haven't, like me, I already updated, we can also restart audio player. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud, just remove this application from the cache, then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for this application, and update if you haven't. Now, if it also didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly, turn off your headphones. At the bottom of the left ear cup we have System button, or Power button, or Connectional button. Press and hold this button. We just turn off them. Now we need to press and hold again until you will see the red LED light. So press and hold. Firstly, these headphones turn on, then enter to pairing mode. It's okay, just keep holding this button. We need to look for the red LED light. Here we go. Now you can release your finger. After that, if you have iPhone, you will see a pop-up here, and you just click connect. Just give a second to this iPhone. If you have Android, you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and just tap at your headphones. As you can see right now, oh, finally it asked me. So you can click connect, or you can go to the Bluetooth and just tap on them. It's the same for Android. You just go to the connected devices, or maybe you will see a pop-up, click connect. The best one for these earbuds, headphones, that we don't need to remove them firstly, because on another headphones we need to remove them and then add it again. Right here we just tap on them and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!